Me grieve, me grieve, me grieve, me grieve, me grieve. There's nothing to laugh about and nothing to smile about. Trust me. You have some little man saying them come a foreign. And God bless them so them can have little thing. Saying, and instead of them send back some money go at Jamaica to do some business so the youth them can be employed. I build up some organization. I set some foundation where the youth them can go and learn and trade and can fend for themselves and have something for themselves and do something for themselves. Instead, the man them buy PRS clad gun and send back to Jamaica for the youths them kill off themselves and claim danship and claim ownership and a war over turf and a war some senseless blood clot killing the man who kill off them one another. I try to know it grieve me. Saying I see the youth them at Jamaica. I don't know how fools sort of bomb clot. I don't no love for one brother. I don't have no love for each other. All I do when they get up on a claim danship and I go on some senseless killing and I kill off and a ball another down at Jamaica and I kill off and start. I try to know. Saying I don't understand them thing there. Only for turning the gun upon the owner brother. Saying over some foolishness. I killing a sister. I kill people senselessly. Saying everywhere me turn and everywhere me turn for the news at Jamaica, this era, that era there. Man just a kill off people start, kill off and one another. Saying, me think so now wise up and know say yo, this we are black against the world. I wanna know say yo, instead of we kill off for one another, we try to uplift a brother and give a brother strength to try to come out of the slum and make something happen and create something. Saying, I say uno entertainer, some of them blood clot entertainer there, saying, all you do, you know, you make matters worse, you know. And uno some of the blood clot worse piece of shit, you know. When you go up on the blood clot mic and sing some little fuck song. I tell the people about kill each other and bust marrow and blow out brains and killing a brother and sister. Saying, and I go on like them thing there, a thing, and instill some things in the youth, them, but the youth them a follow on and I listen to on. Yo, someone want for go away. I'm moving up bomb clot and go away. Saying, read a DJ and DJ in the blood clot dance hall, not for play on the music. Saying, man for grab the mic from one and to come in our studio and I sing them blood clot there. And dash with them bomb clot and kicking out of the dance hall and I'm gonna go away. And DJ in the blood clot dance hall, not for play them music there. Saying, that them music now install nothing at the youth them. All our teachers pay violence and killing and murder and I go on like and I glorify them thing there like on the text say the gun thing a serious thing. I want them thing to turn back on the family and how so serious it is. Saying, and if I go away, I don't know what on the fuck right. Saying, yo, me I tell you some I grieve. You see all the blood clots, some of the politicians and the blood clot, they are Jamaica and the bomb clot and one those one big up on themselves and to get money for thief and rob and no business with the people and now set the foundation for the people them all and do and just instill certain things in the youths them. Saying, when if I go away, we don't look at dirty politics. As if I'm me alone a politics thing now run I say Rasta to the fullest. I just say. Saying, you know, big up on the politics and now there's nothing for the youths them. Saying, the whole on has some corruption. A whole for gas the whole on and light up on a bomb clot. Saying, and if I go away, yeah, all I do a mash up sweet Jamaica. Saying, people want, people, if they mash up the country and the people expect people are come at the country come support the thing and enjoy beautiful Jamaica and spend money and so the country can make money and they can invest and come out of the poverty. Yeah? Every day when they get up and kill each other. Yeah? Them things that don't look good there. Nothing do better than that. If me talk about every man where I do the fuckery. Nothing go away. Saying, and stop instill them things there in the youths them and not support the fuckery. Right now, we for just clamp up all of them idiot thing that we are going. The DJ to who keep up the fuckery. Saying, yeah man, and the police force corrupt too. And if I do better, the whole around if I do better. And yo, me talk from my heart because yo, I love Jamaica and I think I love Jamaica. I love my people them. I'm just tired for see the stress and the killing and the murder, the senseless killing. Every day I look on the news and I see the killing them, I say John Star. I want my people them really a turn to. Eh? Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Where the good people them there? Seeing? The people them in the neighborhood and the city and the cities and the region, they just come together and killing a blood clot back from and start with some fuckery. And going over to the police. And stop kill the blood clot people them. And stop on a fuckery. But they're gonna get up on a kill people for no reason whatsoever. Like in no sense. They know so black a blood clot the best. Eh? You don't know that. You don't have love on yourself. If you don't bleach up on a blood clot tattoo up on yourself and go and eat that, and love on a bomb clot self and know say yo, and we are the first people create on this bomb clot, yeah. Seeing? You know, to black people we bring every nation. And if you know that, I know say we are the greatest man this blood clot, so we get so much fight in this world. Seeing? And instead of instill certain things and come up and I get up on a fuckery. And yo, I have to talk because yo, I shouldn't know, but then I like to see what I go on. And moving up, bomb clot and stop killing off on the one of that. And stop the fuckery. A real thing.